Hey, so if you're new to Notion AI and want to learn how to use it step by step, yeah, you're in the right place. Notion AI can help you write, summarize, brainstorm ideas, and improve your productivity in a really simple way. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to get started. First, open Notion on your browser or desktop app and log into your account. Once you're inside, create a new page where you'll use the AI features. Now to activate Notion AI, just type /AI or press space on a blank page. This will open up the AI menu with different options. You'll see options like writing, summarizing, brainstorming, and more. Yeah, just choose what you need. Next, type your prompt clearly. For example, you can ask it to write a blog intro, summarize a paragraph, or generate ideas. Then press enter and let Notion AI generate the content for you. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once the content is ready, you can edit it or ask the AI to rewrite, expand, or simplify it, depending on your needs. You can use Notion AI for many things like taking notes, writing emails, managing tasks, or even planning content. So, yeah, that's the complete beginner guide to using Notion AI. Once you start using it, you'll see how much time and effort it can save in your daily work. Hey,